So welcome back to my kitchen. I'm talking about all the things that I use to improve my health and well-being. Now, one of the things about me is I'm all about the spice. Spices. I love it. In fact, I used to be a Tabasco addict. Tabasco goes on everything and spices go on everything for me. So there is a brand that is brought out by 4D Flavors. I'm going to stick a link for you guys so you can go and check it out, and it is clean. These are for those that are gluten-free, the people that are looking for clean products, the people that are looking for spices that don't have a filler. And the brand that he imports at 4D Flavors, and the owner's name's Peter, is fabulous. And I've actually gone and even worked at his markets and helped him out. And it's not because I know him, it's because of the product that I'm actually going to talk about this. It is clean. This is called Slap Your Mama. This is Cajun spices. So Cajun is from Louisiana in the States. And what I like about these is they literally have got 3 ingredients. Let's see, salt, red pepper, black pepper, and in this case, it's got garlic on this particular one. No MSG, it is all natural. We like that. This one here, so this one, by the way, is the mild one. This is the one that we always cook with at the markets. Then there's a white container, which I've given away to somebody who just loved it, and that's white pepper. And then this is the heart one, baby. I wish this one came as supersized. This is one I use like every day. This one's salt, red pepper, black pepper, and garlic. That's it. Sorry, 4 ingredients. That's it. No other shit in here. It's clean. You can use it on everything. Oh my God, seriously guys, the recipe book that I've looked at of what you can do with this stuff is amazing. I prefer to put it on the food, then cook it, because it soaks right in. Whereas if you put it on top, you'll find that you'll taste the flavor of the salt a little bit more, and I'm not a big salt fan. However, the other thing I need to tell you is go light. The lightest sprinkle is all you need with these products. It will last you so well. 4D Flavors, thank you for bringing out such clean products that people like myself have been desperately looking for. They ship straight to you. Check it out.